Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw, and in this episode I'm going to take you along as I head up to my garage to winterize my Road King, because as you know, my Road King is my touring motorcycle, and although I don't want to admit it, it is winter here in the northern hemisphere, and which means that it is too cold to tour. It's not too cold to ride, but it's too cold to tour, at least for me. I know a lot of people tours in winter and blah 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 blah, but we're talking about me here, and that is, I think it's too cold to tour, at least up here. So I do have a battery charger somewhere that I think has a trickle charger function, and that's, well, I'm gonna plug that to the Road King, and that's as much winterizing that I'm gonna do to it. So I'm not 100% sure what that trickle charger is. I think it is in my old rat bike, not my current one, not my Speed Demon, the rusty, trusty Triumph America, but I think it's in the other one, so let's have a look.
Nope, not there. So then I think it's in the basement.
Okay, it wasn't in the basement either. I no fucking idea what that trickle charger is now then.
Well, since I can't find that charger, I guess I only have one other option to maintain the battery, and that is to ride the bike. Because if you didn't know that when you ride your bike the battery holds longer, then now you know. Is there any cups around? I'm wondering. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Illegal shortcut it is. The door on my garage is it's old, and doesn't always want to collaborate. Let's see how the old girl's doing. Are you still alive? Still alive. It's technically not an old girl, it's 10 years old. It's actually not of legal age to be ridden by a dirty old biker like me. But it's consenting, okay? Feels good to take the Road King out for a ride, even in this cold weather. I mean, actually now it's not cold, it's actually really comfortable to ride. I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't tour right now, I wouldn't go super far, but to ride around, it's actually really comfortable. And it's like, I would imagine 3-4 degrees plus. Yeah, it's okay. I put up on the screen how much that is in American temperature. It's this much. But it's fine for a cold-blooded Scandinavian like me. And it's also just really nice to get out of the house now that it's locked down, or like, I don't know, the bars and restaurants are locked down, nothing else. So that means I'm locked down, but no one else. But yeah, it's nice to just get out of the house and get some wind therapy. You know, if you have no idea what wind therapy feels like, go and get a feel for it. It really is therapy. It's a reason why you don't see a motorcycle parked in front of a therapist's office, because we get all we need in the face. No homo. I just need to stop real quick to change my gloves and take the obligatory "I'm riding in December" photo. So why else would you be out riding in December than to brag about it? Alright, time to head back to Leipzig. I went a little further out than I intended to, but it just feels so fucking good to ride this thing. No matter if my hands got cold or not, it just... I just lost myself and got lost. Well, I'm not lost anymore now, and I think the battery is quite alright. It feels alright. It didn't feel like there was anything wrong with it when I took it out either, but hey, every excuse to ride is an excuse to ride, and you should take every chance you have. Well, the moral of this story is, if you can't find your charger so you can put it on trickle, put the battery on trickle charge over the winter time, then you just gotta ride your bike, and that's not so bad as it. What the fuck's that? Are you fucking kidding me? It's been here all along. Of course the fucking charger was here all along. Just so fucking typical. I run up and down the fucking stairs looking for this thing, and then it's just fucking sitting here in the garage chilling like some motherfucker. Exactly where I need it. Fucking annoying shit. To be honest, I'm actually not that pissed that I didn't find that charger and that I found it again. Now I got to do both. I got to ride my beautiful, beautiful Road King to maintain the battery, or to make sure that the battery is fine, which it is. And I got to put my trickle charger on there, so it will stay fine. So I guess it's a good thing. But the sun is going down, it's getting dark, and that only means that it will get colder than it already was. So yeah, I'm heading home now, back to lockdown, I guess. Thanks for watching another video here at Winter Motors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And don't forget, if you want to buy me a beer to support this channel and to support me, then the link is in the description down below. And until next time, bye bye.